Hi there, this is a quick tutorial to just give you an overview of what we want to do with our Excel sheets. Okay, so looking at Jared's expenses, I've entered all the data here and I've got some different size font there. I want to make this heading stretch right across. I'm going to put a totals page in there, totals heading in there. Sorry, I'm rushing this, so just bear with me. So I need to merge and center all of that, and I want my heading to be about 18, maybe even 20, and then I'm going to color the background of the title box, drag it down a little bit by hovering between 1 and 2, click on that and then center it in the middle. And then this row are my main headings, so they want to be a bit bigger, so 14, about 14. Now what happens is when they double up like that, if you just click in between B and C at the top of the column with the double arrow, and then they'll jump out and fix up exactly the right spacing for you. Expenses needs to be put into bold. I need a totals column in here. I'll just make that total actually. It needs to be in bold. Great. Okay, so now I can go through and add up the sums, which I think most of you already been able to do. So we click through, add up the sums, and once I have one there or there, I can just click on it and drag it across and it will add up the next one for me. I'll do the same across here, and once I have one, get on the skinny cross and drag it all the way down and it will add everything up for you. Now we want to put this into currency because obviously this is to do with money, so if you select the whole thing and then you go up to the number settings and you change it to currency, it'll put dollars and everything in for you. So I need total down the bottom here. And then I want to put borders around everything, so I select everything, highlight it and go all borders. So now we're looking a little bit better. Now what we'd like to do is we're going to categorize that so that all of those headings there are alphabetically ordered. So if I have to select the whole lot except for the total, oh not that range actually, January, February, March, I have to select all of that, okay? And then I go up to the sort and filter button, I go custom sort and I'm going to choose, I want it to sort by the expenses values and I want it to put it in A to Z. So I do that and now I have this is all nicely alphabetic, running in alphabeticalized, and then all of the prices are set out differently. Right, now that I have that, I'd like to make a column bar chart so that I can show how much the expenses are in a graph. So I select that one and then I hold down the control key and then I select January. And then I select February. Oh, there's even an easier way to do this. Let's do this. So we select the whole thing and then we go and insert and we pick a chart. Now it's easiest, and for this assessment we're looking at the bar chart. So you click, did I do that too fast? If I did, you can go back and pause the video. So now I have a, a bar chart that shows and all of the expenses. Now the series I want to edit so they represent, you go select data, and we're going to change that. So series 1 I'm going to edit and that will be called January. I'm doing this very fast because I've got to get off to school in a few minutes. Series 2 will be February and series 3 will be March. And they should, now the reason that I know is that because it says sheet 1, which you can't see at the bottom of the screen, but that's the name of the worksheet, D3. Okay, so that's D3 to cell D13, so all the way down to there. So I know that it's picked up the right column for that. Okay, so now I have January, February, March and my headings there. I need a chart title. If the chart, oh, we'll just undo all that. If the chart title doesn't come up straight away for you, oh, what happened to it? There we go. If the chart title doesn't come up straight away for you, you just need to go up to, let me see which one. Let's pause this a minute. There. On this one it's different. Okay, so chart title, I tick that one. in 2010, Excel 2010, you go up to here and you go layout, but they've changed that and I've got the latest Microsoft version. So I'm going to call that the same as I have over there, Jared's expenses. And I could put in a axis title along the side. I want to have, yes, please, and I'll put it on the side there. So that's going to be expenses. And I don't know if I spelled that right. And one down here, please. Primary, vertical, horizontal, yes. Oh, okay, so it's just picked up January, February, March. So that's fine. And that is basically what you need to do for the first one and to create your chart. More to follow.